Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva and in today's video I want to show you this very easy Halloween look. I love Halloween, but I'm not one of those people that plan their outfit in advance. Most of the time I'm not even sure if I'm gonna go to a party, so it is always a last minute decision, always a last minute costume, and this look had saved me a couple of times already, so I want to show it to you. This is a very easy look that doesn't really require a lot of prepping, doesn't require a lot of products. You don't need to hit the spirit store 5 times. It is just like very easy. You can do this makeup right after work in your car, you can do this right at the party. It is very easy and doesn't require a lot of products. All you need is a red lipstick and a black eyeliner. All black outfit never fails for Halloween. I'm wearing a tight black tank top and I will probably be pairing this with leather leggings. Let's just get right into the makeup. I already have a little bit of makeup, but I want to bump this up a little bit. Starting with my eyes, and I want to do a little bit of an extra makeup. Every time for Halloween I go a little heavy on the makeup. I will be doing smoky eye and eyeliner, which I normally would not do on like regular day. And I'm just using a brown eyeshadows from L'Oreal. As you can tell, this is my like favorite quad. So I will be doing a little bit of a heavy makeup. I feel like this is the time that I can experiment a little bit with makeup, do a little bit of heavier makeup and just like blend in with everyone else. Just like a heavy contour on the cheeks. Do a little bit of blush. This is where our main makeup products will come. We need a black eyeliner and a red lipstick. I'm using this one from Revlon. It is called Really Red. It is a true red lipstick. Any red lipstick will work, and I'm sure everyone has like red lipstick in their makeup bag. So I'm going to line my lips with the black eyeliner. And for someone that likes natural makeup, this is already getting a little bit intense. And I'm just putting the red lipstick over. From now on, the main makeup products will be the red lipstick and the black eyeliner. We're gonna create a slit on the throat. And just do like a crisscross. And then just take the red lipstick and go over this line. You just want to do this few times so you can create like a darker look. And just like smudge it. So you want to just keep like smudging and drawing and then smudging till you get the desired consistency and darkness. And also I like to draw like little blood lines. And once you're like happy with the darkness, you're gonna just like smudge all in. And also I will create a bloody lip, just the same way. A little bit of eyeliner and then a little bit of red lipstick. And then I want to create some bruising. I will just take the eyeliner, even though my hands are already like pretty messy, I will just take an eyeliner and some eyeliner and red lipstick. And same thing, just build the intensity you want. I feel like this looks pretty scary right now. So I added a bruise on my forehead as well and some bruising around my chest, and I will be doing a little bit of a cut on my chest too. And just let my hair down, toss it around, probably like tease it if you need to, and this is your complete look. And it was super easy. All you need is a black eyeliner and just a red lipstick. Any red lipstick will work. If you guys get stuck this year for Halloween and happen to recreate this look, please let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Send me pictures, follow me on Instagram, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!